Alright, Assalamualaikum. My name is Aiman Shakir bin Abdul Rahman. Today I am from the LP5B. So today I will present about my business in subject in enterprise subject. So introduction of my business. My business started by my father in 2009. But in 3 November 2020, I decide to renovate or upgrade my business with the online marketing. So the purpose of this business is to create a new vision of wet market because everyone thought the web business cannot be in social platform. So due the COVID pandemic in November 2020, the Malaysia government make a statement that everyone need to stay at home and avoid to get out from their home to avoid affected by COVID virus. So target market of this business is to be the trusted business in Kuala Terengganu. Okay. So the product I sell is 3 types of fish. The first one is patin, and then tilapia and baung. We selling this fish by per kilogram. So the product service, we provide cash on delivery in Kuala Terengganu. Just like I said before, because this is the chance for me to grow up my business, and this service will make my customer to get my product easier by only texting me a WhatsApp and send their location, and I will send this product to their home. So Facebook page, Instagram, Shopee, Lazada, and website. So in this subject, we have a task to make a social account to promote our product. But my product is unable to make a postage because the wet, the raw product cannot be posted, and I have no choice. So I have to sell another product in Shopee and Lazada, such as pillow and snacks. Okay. So this is my Facebook account, Tilapia Kuala Terengganu, and this is my Instagram with the same name, and this is my Shopee. Like I said before, I have to sell another products, such as pillow and snacks, and this is my Lazada, and this is my website of my real products. So the best copywriting hard sell. Based on what I make a survey in Facebook Insight, this is the most viewed hard sell post in my page. For the soft sell, this is the most viewed soft sell post in my Facebook page. And the best video, this is the most viewed videos in my Instagram product. About 20 people watch this video. So the best picture. So personally, this is the best picture for me because this picture shows about the background of the river, and the fish just came from the water. So this picture shows about the freshness of our fish. So total online sales. So this is the total online sales that I have got in Go e-commerce. 1,299 monthly sales. That's a lot. Okay. Strategy to achieve online sales target. Uh, for the first time on online business, actually I have to make a survey about the Facebook user in my marketplace because mm that is what I watch, what I learned in YouTube. It shows how to make a survey, how to see how many people using a Facebook in your area. So I watched that video and I learned how to do it. And then I need to make a list targeted customer for my product because this product is the raw product. Only not everyone could buy or will buy my product. So I have to make a list of targeted customer such as housewife, single female and family. And then I have to promote my product in social platform just like I did with with hard sell, soft sell in the Facebook, and I have to post the video introduction of my product in IGTV, Instagram, and I have to make a real website of my product. So that's it. And the summary is what I learned about this assignment, this subject is how to manage my business. It teach me about how to manage my money with the cash book. So I think without cash book, I can manage my money properly. And then it shows me about how to know about my profits, my lost profits with Go e-commerce. And then the best moment for me in December, there is one person who want to buy my fish in bundle. Maybe he wants to sell it back, maybe in the wet market. So he bought 100 kilograms, 100 kilogram fish from me. So it shocked me a little bit. So the most challenging experience I ever had is when I have to deliver my products in bad weather. In the bad raining weather, I have to deliver my product with the motorcycle, but I think I have no choice because customer always first, and no matter what, I have to deliver my product. So the conclusion, uh, how to be success in online business. Okay, first for me, we have to organize our web assets. All relevant assets should be optimized for our brand. For example, our social media and web page should have the relevant keywords. So they should fall into an integrated marketing plan, and they should be completely updated with the latest information about our company. So the second one is stay on the top of the latest trends. So for me, for personally, this is the most important thing if you want to be success in online business. The online world is one that is constantly changing and evolving. It evolves faster than anything we ever see in the real world. Furthermore, we'll see social media trends is evolving all the time. So we have to keep on up to date with uh nowadays trends. So we need to know what everyone what everyone wants this know this today what everyone knows what everyone wants today, sorry. And the next last thing is be persistent. So this is um also important thing you need to have to be a successful online businessman. Few business become overnight success stories. This is something we have to accept if we want to enter the business world. Persistence will pay off in the end if we continue to do all right things. We have to be we need to be consistent and stay focused on our goals. So that is also important because we need to focus on on our targets and our goals about this business. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching this video.